Start with one piece of 9.5 by 6.5 cotton fabric and two 9.5 by 4-inch pieces of cotton fabric. Fold one edge of the 4-inch wide fabric approximately 1/4 of an inch on one side and sew. This will make half of the pocket opening. Fold and sew the second piece in the same way. Now that you have your 3 pieces, lay the two 4-inch pieces on top of the 6.5-inch piece, good side to good side, with the sewn edges overlapping. Place a pin through all 3 layers on either side. Now with your 3 pieces securely pinned, sew along all 4 sides. Remember to leave your needle down in the corners so you can easily turn your edges. To make your corners more square, cut the edges off of your fabric on a diagonal. Be sure not to cut into the stitch. Now turn your mask right side out. If you would like, you can use scissors or another object to push the corners out. Fold over both edges of the 6.5-inch side approximately a 1/2 inch and place 2 pins in the end to secure the folds. Sew the folds as close to the 1/2 inch distance as possible. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end, as there will be more pressure on these places when the cord is in place. Flip and do the same on the other side. Remember to backstitch. You have now completed a majority of your mask. For the final steps, you will need your mask, a cord stop toggle, 48 inches of paracord or some other nylon cord, and something to pull the cord through the mask. I have just folded a piece of wire in half to use as a needle. Thread your needle through the mask and loop the cord through the end. Pull the cord through the mask. If your material has a top and a bottom, be sure to make the loop at the bottom of the mask. pull the cord through the mask again so both ends are on the same side. If you don't have a cord stop toggle, you can simply tie the mask at the top of your head. However, you will need 60 inches of cord instead of 48 inches. Thread the ends of the cord through the toggle to complete your mask. Your mask is now complete. To wear the mask, hold the looped end up and place it over your head. Notice that the pocket will be facing out. Now pull the toggle half over your head and tighten it down. To fit the mask to your face, pull the bottom of the mask up and readjust the toggle in the back. Congratulations! You now have an adjustable and snug-fitting mask.